Hello everyone, today I will tell you why your manifestation is taking so long. What is the biggest mistake you have made about manifesting your desires? You will be surprised by the answer, and you probably thought it was the best thing you could do to achieve your desires. However, this mistake has made your desires 100 times more difficult to achieve. What is this mistake? It is trying to figure out and worrying about how to make your desires happen. You're doing this every day. You have a desire of making $1 million, but your immediate reaction will be, how to make it happen? Then you get busy finding ways to make money. You keep trying until you lose your faith. Then you start to believe that you don't deserve the $1 million. Does this sound familiar? What goes wrong here? You are making a mistake of focusing on the wrong thing. Let's see why you should not focus on how to make your desires happen. 1. Focusing on how introduces doubt and worry into your mind. Let's take the previous example. Suppose you want to have $1 million, but you've never earned $10,000 before. Your mind will start to search your memory bank for the ways to make $1 million. It keeps searching and searching but never succeeds, because you never experienced it before. The conclusion it will logically draw is that you can't have $1 million. Once this is concluded, you will immediately feel doubt and worry, and create energy blocks in your creation process. 2. You don't know the best way possible. Have you ever attended a seminar that promises you to make $10,000 in the first week or achieve your financial freedom in 1 year? You probably have. What result did you get? I guess very likely you put the course material on your shelf and hope someday you will be able to apply them. Usually in these seminars, they teach a system or a formula that has been tested to be effective in certain types of business. Do these systems or formulas work? I can tell you most of them work very effectively. If one person has made it, there is no reason why others cannot. But why don't most people get results? It is because these formulas are not the best formulas for them. Based on one's background, experience and level of awareness, there is always a perfect formula for anyone to achieve any of his desires. But his information is not in their conscious mind, it can only be given by the higher intelligence. Instead of focusing on figuring how to get things done, why not get quiet, wait for the guidance from the higher intelligence? If focusing on how is not right, what should I focus on? The only thing you should focus on is the end result. Focus on your heart desires single-mindedly, and don't question and worry about it. Keep feeling your desires are coming true. Hold that feeling as long as possible. Hold a mental picture of your end results, and keep energizing it with emotions and feelings. Do this anytime and anywhere. Don't let your feelings fade. This will quickly shift all your energy in the direction of manifestation and creation. Don't worry if you don't see any evidence of your desires. You should know that 99% of the creation process happens in the unseen energy level. You only need to focus on your desires, give them faith and trust the universe. Do your own part, and the universe will do its part by taking care of all the details. You will be guided to the exact right opportunity at the right time. Everything happens easily and naturally. Manifestation is a happy and stress-free process.